Hi everybody, welcome back to Cream with My Coffee. My name is Camille and today we're going to be doing another Clean with Me. We're going to be tackling my kitchen and dining area. We're going to do dishes. We're going to clean out the fridge, all the counters and the island, as well as the dining table. So I hope you get a lot of cleaning motivation to get up and do what needs to be done, or just sit back and enjoy the music. Either way, thanks for watching. Be talking a lot during this video. I'm still torn between whether or not you guys want to hear me rambling or if you'd rather listen to the music while cleaning. But by all means, just let me know if you have any questions or if you want any information about anything I'm using or anything I'm doing. just let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to address it. But right now, just trying to give you some motivation, get you up going. So I'll let you enjoy.
Choose your fighter. LAKEY inspired.
Alright guys, major fail coming up here. I completely forgot to hit record when I repositioned the camera to clean my sink. So you'll see me looking pretty embarrassed here in a sec. Now for the major task of the room, this definitely is not from one use on this stove. My kids act like they can't see the stove when they're cleaning up the kitchen, so this is actually probably from a week of use by everyone. So it's going to be pretty intense cleaning. This stove in particular kind of bothers me because there's none of those removable pans, and a lot of the, I guess it's enamel on the stove has been cooked. So it's really hard to get everything off, and you'll see in the end I'm not totally successful. I probably could have let the chemicals sit for a little longer, and I probably will do that. I'm gonna go get some easy off and do the oven for another day, and I'll tackle this again to see if I can get some more of the just leftover burnt, I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna try to get the rest of this off. And this is what we call a catch-all space. We literally throw everything over here on this counter. Even when I was cleaning up, I took a lot of this stuff from one counter and I just piled it all over here. What's your hot spot in your house? What spot in your house constantly needs clearing off? Even though most of the time you just kind of walk past it and act like it's not there. Let me know in the comments. We had so much stuff in this fridge. It was packed. It looked stuffed, and you would think that we had food for days. That, my friends, is lies. This mainly, and I think you can tell, looks like a bunch of condiments. That's exactly what it is. We are big on sauces and dips and stuff like that. So I actually have a refrigerator in the garage that I tend to keep a lot of that stuff in since we're not using it every day, but a lot of it is migrated into the house, so I'll just be stuffing that back outside. So before anybody asks, no, this is not where my dining room table belongs. This is a new dining table that we just purchased. We also purchased a new couch. The old couch sold in 24 hours. However, our new couch that was supposed to be delivered in 2 weeks got delayed an additional 2 weeks because of COVID. So, all we have is a dining room table in front of our TV right now. So, needless to say, I cannot wait till my couch comes in. It's very uncomfortable sitting there trying to watch TV. So I've been spending a lot of time in my bedroom. Sad. Alright guys, so we're coming to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this far. If you have, you're the greatest and I appreciate you so much. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and join me for other cleaning and lifestyle videos. Thanks again for joining. See you in the next video.